어릴 적부터 가장 친하게 지내왔던 5명의 남자들.
That's harsh, man. Why don't we go to boom, Amsterdam?
Nah, that's too touristy now, isn't it?
We're hiking. Hiking in Sweden.
Hiking.
Yeah. Hiking.
롭의 난데없는 하이킹 제안에 허치는 편을 들어줍니다.
What's it called again?
King's Trail. It kind of runs up between Sweden and Norway. They can go there in the summer.
Oh, yeah. It's like the Appalachian Trail, right?
Yeah, apart from it's more history than hillbillies.
술이 부족했던 주인공 누쿠는 술을 더 마시자며 꼬드기는데
Oh, look, there's that. Look, I'm gonna get a bottle. Who's on it?
No way. School night, mate.
Does anyone wanna come with me? Oh, come on, Robert.
Yeah, go on. Bad idea.
Anyone any sweets or anything? Do you really want to go hiking? Hiking for fun?
Yeah.
In fucking Sweden?
Yeah, I do. I don't know. I just want to test myself a little, you know? A challenge.
Do you know what would be a challenge? Just getting Dom on the side of a mountain.
그때 갑자기 표정이 굳어지는 누쿠.
Don't fucking lie, you cunt! There's more! Where the fuck is it?
아직 자신을 발견하지 못한 강도의 눈을 피해 혼자 서숨는 누쿠.
No fucking move. Give me your wallet. Give it to him.
Okay. Okay, it's okay.
Don't just stand there. Do it.
Give me your fucking wallet.
Okay.
And the ring.
No. It's my wedding ring.
We don't give a fuck.
Just give me the fucking ring.
Just take it off him.
Come on.
Listen, you take that ring off.
롭을 도와줄 생각이 없어 보이는 그때.
Look, I'm not.
허무하게 생을 마감한 롭을 위해 친구들은 그가 원했던 하이킹 여행을 오고.
Should never have happened, but it did. And all I can do is remember him.
기에 쫄딱 젖은 것도 모자라 돔의 다리가 다치는데.
Fuck! Shit! Easy.
You're okay.
It's twisted. It's twisted.
Can you put your full weight on it?
돔의 다리 상태와 지쳐가는 이 여행을 해결할 수 있는 지름길을 찾아봅니다.
Journey and a half. What, through the forest?
Yeah, why not? Little off-trail hiking.
How's the knee, Dom?
Killing me. How's your mum?
Unnecessary, innit?
숲으로 들어온 일행들은
1, 2, 3. A Brexit. Boom. Yes.
Yeah, for twats in the forest.
사늘하게 매달려 있는 동물을 발견합니다.
Why hang it like that? Still bleeding.
So?
So it means that whatever did that, we should go. That's the first kill.
Yeah, we should go.
찝찝한 마음으로 숲을 헤쳐나가지만
Where the hell are we, Hutch?
Let me check. We should pitch the tents.
What?
We should pitch the tents.
So we're giving up making it back to town tonight, then? Well, I don't see we have much choice today.
Guys,
What is it? What is it?
look at this.
Huh?
Look.
이상한 문양과 함께 폐허 하나를 발견하는데
Can you see anything?
Well, this is clearly the house we'll get murdered in. It's not as bad as our uni accommodation.
That's the shape on the tree, I think.
I don't like this place.
Not too keen on it myself, mate, but it's a lesser of two evils kind of situation.
무언가를 본 필.
Guys, get the fuck off here right now!
What now?
Oh shit. Is that meant to be a person?
What, with no head and antlers for hands?
I'm going downstairs to get that fire started. You guys can stay up here if you want.
왠지 불길한 이 숲에 대해 이야기를 나눠봅니다.
Some kind of pagan or Nordic shit, like an offering or something.
I give any of you a grand to go upstairs and sleep with that thing.
Absolutely no way. My wife would never forgive me. No, she wouldn't.
Good night.
자고 있던 누크의 얼굴에 빛이 들어오고 얼마 전 로비 죽은 편의점. 술병을 들자 잠에서 깨어나고 숲 한가운데 서 있습니다.
Hodge. Hodge. Mate, wake up. Mate. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
하나같이 패닉에 빠져있는 친구들.
Phil. Phil, what are you doing? No, I don't know, man.
서둘러 이 숲을 빠져나가기로 하는데 돔의 다리가 버텨주질 못합니다.
Need a minute.
Dom, you might have to push through the pain barrier a bit, mate.
No.
Dom, I want out of these woods now. Please get up.
I'm gonna go to the top of that ridge, all right, and see if I can see anything.
Yeah, a good idea, man. Up to the ridge, straight back.
Got it.
언덕 위를 올라가도 끝이 보이지 않는 숲.
Everything okay?
There's something up there.
What are you talking about?
There's something up there in those woods.
누크가 미쳤다고 생각한 돔은 시비를 거는데
All agree to not start losing our fucking shit in here.
Why do you have to fucking deny everything
Because
I say?
I do not value your judgment, Luke. And I want to get the fuck out of here.
Listen, mate, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you.
No, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you.
Dom, shut up.
Come on, what do you mean by that?
죽은 롭의 이야기를 해버린 돔.
Track it back. You know what I'm talking about.
No, I don't know.
Now he's got some fucking fight in him, yeah? Well, where was that with Rob?
Not a drop of blood on you. Fucking coward.
서로에게 마음이 상처만 남은 채 숲에 어둠이 드리우고 밤이 되자 왠지 모를 이상한 기운. 다른 친구들은 또 넋이 나가 있었습니다. 사라져버린 허치.
I saw shadows. What? I don't know. Oh fuck. Luke.
상황이 나아지지 않자 아침에 다시 찾기로 하는데 나무 위에 싸늘하게 죽어있는 허치.
Just calm down. We need to get out of here now. We need to move.
We had those nightmares and it followed us, didn't it?
Yeah.
드디어 출구를 발견하지만
Guys! I can see the end! I can see the end! Guys!
We heard something.
Phil!
누크가 정신을 차리자 숲은 이미 밤이 되어 있었습니다.
It's fucking hunting us. Jesus Christ.
I'm afraid we're going to have to run.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
Are you ready?
인위적으로 만들어 놓은 길을 발견한 돔과 누쿠. 그곳에서는 누군가 기도를 하고 있었는데 눈을 떠보니 돔을 묶은 채 방치하고 있었습니다.
Why don't we do this, yeah? What are you waiting for?
저 멀리서 나타난 의문의 여자. 돔의 아내였습니다.
What is it?
A god? Ancient? One of the Jotun?
괴물의 정체에 대해 알려주는 원주민.
A bastard offspring of Loki. We do not say its name.
Because you're afraid of it.
We worship it. It keeps us here. No more pain. No more death. Your ritual begins tonight. You will kneel before the god.
고개를 조아리는 것만이 유일한 방법이라고 말해주지만
The trees.
여자가 나가자 탈출을 시도합니다. 정체 모를 미라를 전부 태운 채 도망치는데
Drop the axe. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
그때 왜인지 괴물은 누쿠에게 관심이 없어 보였지만 도망치는 와중 환상이 계속해서 이어지고 누쿠를 놓아주고는 의문의 행동을 하는데 그때를 노려 도끼로 괴물을 찍어버립니다. 필사적으로 도망치던 중 찾은 숲에 출구. 괴물은 숲 밖으로 나오지 못하는데요. 혼자 남은 채 돌아가는 누쿠의 모습으로 영화는 끝이 납니다.